You might be a redneck or a car guy when you're out 1 o'clock in the morning when it's snowing. Because you find a cheap carburetor online. You're going to see if it's the right one because you don't need to do the pictures of it. If you get a shot with your phone trying to see it. And you pen over. And you're looking for coyotes out in the dark. Because you remember, it's 1 o'clock in the morning. You're standing in the shorts. Thinking, why am I here again? And maybe this is the long walk back. If I'm talking to myself, the coyotes think I'm crazy. They won't bite. I can't see nothing from my face but the snow. Oh.